Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday. So 60 is not a age, it's a stage.
So here is the preparation going for the midnight celebration. Yahoo! So many red balloons. हमारी सारी प्रिपरेशन हो गई है, सारे डेकोरेशंस हो गए. हम बस वेट कर रहे हैं कब 12 बजे और कब हम जल्दी से केक काटे. वी आर सो एक्साइटेड कि जल्दी से बस 12 बज जाए. बिल्कुल देखो मेरी बहन को, हाउ एक्साइटेड ही इज इन टेकिंग सेल्फीज. एंड हियर इज़ द केक. वी ब्रॉट चॉकलेट केक. पापा मम्मी को चॉकलेट केक बहुत पसंद है.
थैंक यू.
और कुछ
ऐसे ही हर साल हम लोग का बर्थडे मनाती हूँ.
हाँ जी.
दोनों खूब खुश रहो.
लाइट ऑफ करके केक की फ़ोटो लेना कितना सही लगता है ना. ये बज गया 12 एंड इट्स टाइम टू कट द केक. केक के ऊपर एक सिंगल कैंडल कितना सही दिखता है. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग जल्दी से मुझे केक खाने को मिले. द यम केक. लुक हाउ हैप्पी पापा इज नाउ. हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा. खा लीजिए पहले. जाओ बंटी. ठीक है बस टच करना है.
टच कर दो कुछ हम.
मम्मी
दोनों बन जाओ हम किधर. पोस्ट कर दो. हम सब बोलेंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे.
दिखा दे पापा के पप्पी ला लो. फैमिली के साथ मनाई हुई छोटी सी भी सेलिब्रेशन कितनी अच्छी लगती है ना. So our birthday morning started with special brunch with chicken sausage, pasta salad, pav bhaji, croissant, chocolate, fruits, juice and many more things. Two of my college friends also came for the brunch. We are friends from more than 11 years and we all work in Bangalore, which is the best part. So they came to my place for the dad's birthday celebration. We enjoyed like hell in morning. See how it goes with friends.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Crazy.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
It's time for one more cake.
Brother,
Okay. हाँ.
brother पहले wish मांगिए.
हाँ विश मांगी. चलिए पापा.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear uncle. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
नहीं वीडियो बन रहा है.
ले. हमने किया है हम लोगों ने. हमने किया है हम लोगों ने. पापा ने जबरदस्ती किया. पापा को खिलाओ. फोटो में मम्मी वीडियो है क्या? चलो बता दो.
जिसका बर्थडे था उसको कितना खाना पड़ता है.
थोड़ा. अब तो आपको पूरा खा होगा.
जाओ बाबू. जाओ ना. मैं लास्ट में आऊंगी.
Go first. She's supposed to be.
या.
ये तो वॉइस टॉक है. वो हम स्पार्कल्स क्या थे याद है? वो ऊपर में पंखा भी बड़ा सा लटका था और वो फुटता था.
So this morning celebration went so good. Just loved it. And now it's time for our evening celebration. We went to this beautiful place known as Orzo. It's in Whitefield, Bangalore. This is a Kashmiri restaurant, and this is not fancy restaurant like other fancy restaurants, but you will just love the place. It's so calm in between the trees, in between the greenery, and the ambience is so good. And we went at night. It was looking so beautiful. This whole place is made up of wood. It's an wood infrastructure. Just come with us and look at this place. This is the entrance. This is how it looks when we went inside. Just look at this furnitures, this rustic ones, and this is how the very front arrangement, sitting arrangement is. This place is full of beautiful pictures, lamps. Can you look above those beautiful lamps and these beautiful frames and these decorative plates? Down you can see few archived and old antique bottles. They were beautiful. I don't know what bottle is that, but it was looking really beautiful. So this is the second section. When you will come inside, here you will get some books. They have a small library setup, and look look at those frames in the wall. Oh my god, I just loved it. And this corner section, isn't it nice, Hannah? I just love this. I can try at my place also. And here are few more picture frames. They were beautiful. You will see so many Kashmiri men, women, and few film star also. Look at there. It's beautiful. So this whole place is wooden. The floor is wooden, and there was very soothing music going on. This is the outside view, and this is the last part. It is bit elevated, and here you will see the table chair arrangement as well as down sitting arrangement also. We got this corner table. I love to sit at this corner table, and yes, the chair was so comfortable. So look at this area, the sitting arrangement, the down sitting arrangement. It's beautiful now. You can do so many celebrations here, and you can come with family or friends. You won't regret this place. I just love this place. It was a bit offbeat, not like the other restaurants, but it was a special in its own way. Oh yeah, we got one special complimentary kaba. So they told us why not to give it a try. Aha, this is our starter. So this is tabak maz. So this is ribs of mutton. This is chicken tuzi kebab. It was so tender and chewy. We just loved it. I love both of the starters. See, this is Kashmiri pulao. It was yum. That's
and
chicken, and that's mutton. The chicken is in white gravy, which is made of this curd. I went crazy because of the food. It was good. When you will have good food, it reflects on your face, the good mood and the good food.
क्या क्या अच्छा लगा मम्मी बताओ क्या क्या अच्छा लगा
चिकन अच्छा लगा, तीनों रोटी अच्छा लगा,
लवासा गिरडा एंड
शीरमल नहीं सॉरी
बकर खाने आपको पापा योर
सब अच्छा लगा। एंड आई लव दैट चिकन वाला थिंग,
चिकन तुजी कबाब So chicken yakhni is white gravy chicken prepared in curd, and this is Kashmiri pulao, which is full of fruits and fried onion, dry fruits, and it is bit sweet. This was mutton rogan josh, quite tender and yum. And my sister has ordered chicken tuzi kebab again.
This was the back side of the restaurant. Look at this wooden decorative piece, how beautiful it is. And this one was a fountain. It was looking so beautiful under the yellow light. It was good. I just loved it. This is the back side of the restaurant. It was quite greenery. So this is how we celebrated Dad's birthday at a beautiful place with good delicious food, beautiful evening. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सब कुछ. Happy birthday, Daddy.